Once attendance is being taken on Orah, you need one place where you can see the full picture of your school day. Which classes have had attendance taken, which are still in progress, and which teachers haven't started yet. That's exactly what the group records page gives you. Think of it as your class-level command center. Every class scheduled for today is listed here, along with the assigned teacher, the number of students, and the current status of attendance for that class. It's designed for attendance managers and administrators, and you'll find it under the Attendance section in your left navigation. Each class on this page sits in one of three states: not started, in progress, or completed. Completed means the teacher has taken attendance and hit the complete button. The records are locked in, and those codes are either in Orah or already pushed to your SIS. In progress means a teacher opened the roll call and started marking students, but hasn't hit complete yet. Attendance that's in progress is not yet recorded. The roll needs to be finished. Not started means the class time has passed and no one has touched attendance for it. These are your most urgent ones. Filtering to not started first thing in the morning, or at the end of first period, tells you immediately which teachers you need to follow up with. You don't have to send emails or walk the halls. Everything you need is right here. When you click into any class, you see the full details: the teacher, the class time, the student list, and their current attendance codes. From here, you have two options, depending on the situation. If the teacher is still around and just hasn't finished, you can hit Remind. That sends them an email reminder to complete attendance. One click, and it's handled. If a teacher has left for the day or stepped away mid-roll and left it in progress, you don't need to wait for them. You can open that class and take attendance on their behalf, or simply complete it if most marks are already there. The record will show who actually completed the roll, so there's no confusion in the audit trail. A teacher completed their roll, but marked a student incorrectly. A student who showed up was marked absent, or a student on a field trip was accidentally marked present. You don't need the teacher to fix it, and you don't need to go to your SIS. Open the class, find the student, and click Edit on their record. Change the roll code: absent, present, tardy, excused, add a note if needed, and save. The update goes straight to your SIS. It pushes back there automatically. This is how group records handles the class-level view. When you know which class or teacher you're looking for, this is the right screen. When you need to work student by student, that's where student records comes in. The student records page flips the view completely. Instead of organizing by class, it organizes by student. Every student is shown as a row, and when you expand that row, you see their full day. Every class they were scheduled for in chronological order, with the attendance code recorded for each one. The header shows you three things at a glance: the student's name, their daily attendance status, and a row of small icons representing each of their classes in schedule order. A quick snapshot of the shape of their day before you even open the record. The daily attendance status is the overall verdict: present for day, late for day, excused absent for day, or unexcused absent for day. This status is calculated automatically based on your school's daily attendance policy, typically driven by attendance in the first scheduled academic class. Click the chevron to expand any student's record. Their classes appear in the order they were scheduled, from first period to last. For each class, you can see the roll name, the time, the attendance code, the reason if one was applied, which staff member took the roll, and when it was marked. If a student had a pass active during one of those classes, a late arrival, an early dismissal, a health center visit, you'll also see the pass type sitting right alongside the attendance code, so you know the reason for the pass as well. The real power of this screen is in the filters. On a busy morning after first period, you don't want to scroll through every student. You want to see only the ones that need your attention. You can also filter by roll code to see all students marked absent in any class today, Or add a pass filter to see students who were absent with an active pass already covering them versus students who were genuinely absent without any excuse on file. One thing to know, if a student has no records that match your active filters, they won't appear on screen at all, even if you search their name. The filter applies to their roll records, not just to their name. So if you search and nothing comes up, check whether your filters are too narrow. When you need to correct a specific attendance code for a student, open their record, find the class, and click the Edit icon, the small pencil in the top right corner of that roll record. You can change the roll code, update the reason, or add a note. Every change you make here is logged in the record's history. You'll see the original code that was recorded, who changed it, and when. So if a teacher marked a student absent and you later changed it to excused, both entries are in the history. There's a full audit trail and nothing is silently overwritten. This is the screen for working through students one at a time. You know the student, you want to see their day, and you want to make a correction. That's the student records page. When you need to send a record outside of Orah, to a parent who's disputing an absence, to a dean who wants a summary, or to reconcile with an external system, use the Export button. You can choose between a class attendance export, which gives you every class level record, or a daily attendance export, which gives you the day level summary per student. Both export to CSV. You can set a custom date range before exporting, so you're only pulling the period that's relevant. And that's your group records and student records page. See you in the next video.